Good morning, guys. It's early morning over here. In case you're new here, subscribe. And I thank God for the gift of life. So today it's a special day to me, and everything it's good here. So this is my local time over here, 7:23, guys, a.m. in the morning. That is my African watching time. So I wake up early in the morning like this time, and guys, I want to run with my activity at home here, and I thank God for this far, guys. So right now, guys, I left my house for some few minutes. This is how things they are, and it's so cold here, but we try to manage ourselves, man. So let's go, guys. That's how I park my motorbike, because there is some 3 bags of cement here, and I need to check it out. So guys, I had mess. So guys, sorry guys, and I'm intermittent the goat. That's my brother. How are you? Yes, guys, as you can see, it's early morning over here, and this is how we keep our chicken and chicks, because that being said, we have a lot of eagle passing through the air, so we keep the chicks here. Well, telling, so take the goat outside, and today's videos are very special videos. Kindly watch until the end. Give a video a like, comment, and also share the video. So that is the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. Wow. Hey, so crazy here. Good morning. Got there. Oh. Hey. Alright. So guys, that's the struggle of our village here. So as you can see, the sun set from East Africa, Kenya, and we need to return back, or to come back to my project. Okay, so I was telling my brother to remove this goat here and that one there. So today you wanna start setting of blocks, so I want to arrange my work serious. So after this, I'm going to check the mason, and we borrow from him a wheelbarrow, so in order to run my project, guys. So thank you so much, guys, for those who have been with me until this point, and I want to say thank you. May God bless you wherever you are, guys. And I mean, you made it in my life. I can't take things for granted. You just supporting me by watching my videos, doing everything, guys. You have been there, and the whole things that you see here, it's through your support, guys. Everything that you see here, and I can't pretend that I'm managed by on myself, guys. It's through your support. So at least I support this family to have a good toilet, and that's the best way I can get blessing here. So right now I wake up in the morning, it's 7:30, and we need to arrange some progress of my project over here. So after this, I'm heading to my house, and I think the bags of cement that I have, I think it's 3, and I will go to check there. So I think it's 3, so it can push this toilet until maybe the level where it can reach and later when I get the money, I'll try to push it up. So, oh man, I try to push myself slow on this project, and I think maybe by God willing, by the end of August, I shall complete setting of blocks and women with roofing. We have so many things on this project: roofing, tilings, putting of sinkers, installation of doors, and all stuff. So, but on the down, it was so hectic. Maybe to put some steel bar, to put concrete. Man, you've been there, and right now we manage it, guys. So let's go. This is how. Oh, and it's so cold, man. You see how the queues of the goats were like body shaking, like ooh. So it's cold over here, actually. And let's go. Imagine that is my goat, and that one here. So this one is the mother of the kids for those two twins, and for this black goat matat over here. Wow, man. So let's go. So I need to check the cement first, but if I'm not wrong, guys, I think the cement which have remained like 3 bags of cement. So last month I bought around 9 of them, and my mother told me when they were making this concrete here slab and create this field for my toilet here, they were being used around six bags of cement. So let's check, because I can pretend that it remained like 3 bags of cement, and we have like 1 bag, and I need to start my project or setting of blocks. So let's check the cement first, and the work shall be continued, guys. So we're heading this way. This is how things they are in my village here, guys. So let's check out. Yeah. Oh, the chicks are coming out. You can see. Look. So the chicks, okay. Wow. So let's check the cement first, guys, before I proceed to my work. Yeah, so I cover here. Yeah, the iron sheets. Oh. So this is 1, 2, 3. That's 3.5. This is the half of a bag of cement over here. Let's cover it. Whew. Alright, so let's go outside. Imagine I was parking my motorbike here the whole night, but as soon I'll park at the parking point. So guys, I need also to check the material, and I will proceed for the next level, guys. So let's go. Whew. People are outside. So guys, the good thing about in our village here, when you have a small garden like this one over here, so this is the garden of kales and cowpeas. You can see this is the cowpeas and kales, or in other way, kales because sukuma wiki means to push the wick. So people from USA call green corn. So we use the mosquito net to cover the kitchen garden, and they want to renovate this one over here. So they have been cutting here. Let me go get. Let's go, guys. That's my gun. So let's go this way. And this is my stone over here. So guys, that being said, it's early morning over here. So even my mama, she was wake up in the morning, peeling the kales, taking to the market, and maybe having some amount of money, guys. So this is the kales that you see inside here. So we have much of them. So let's see. Okay, so they peeled this sukuma wiki and sold, and during the evening time he bring the money to my brother, and actually this is my brother's project. Oh, Manuna Hora, guys, imagine even my sister. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
See hello. Say hello.
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 See hello. Yeah. I know, guys, because of the mistake, have some gaps here. You know, she's having some shedding of teeth. Come here, my sister. So guys, she's having some shedding of teeth. So you know the kids. Say hello.
Hello.
Check a You see, guys, so they have some gaps here. So when I'm telling her to say hello, they say hello. Even when I got an accident, guys, on my first video on YouTube, I have those we call tongue twister or tongue twist of words. Like when I'm saying hello, I say hello. And that's my mother over here. Mom, say hello.
Hello.
Say hello to your family.
Hello.
Yeah, that's my mother, guys. That's soon I'm before my. You see, guys, they're peeling some sukuma wiki over here, and direct to the farm, guys. Alright, story for another day. And let's check. The mason came with the wheelbarrow. You see, even my brother peeling some sukuma over here. Okay, say hello, bro.
Hello.
Yes, but you have already greeting people, so let's move on. And yeah, so I see some stuff from the sweet potatoes, and after this videos, I wanna take to my uncle's place at Yamaro's villa. So they have some cows, so I want to take them. This one here. Yup. So today's video, so we'll join together. So I'll take this to Yamaro's place. So and it have already been dried, so the cow they can able to eat, and all stuff. I'll take it like this one over here. Yeah, guys. So they were being harvested some we call it sweet potatoes on the other garden or my neighbor's land. So we just take the leaves, and it's good. They got to be eaten. I have going to and then who could hear my yes. Yeah. One big muki. Yeah. Wow, so that stuff, I think even our cows are being used here to eat. So hey, it's all morning, guys. Even if it's like dark, but this is the struggle of my village over here. So that stuff from the sweet potatoes, the cows used to eat, it's just over here. You see, so they are eating here. Wow. Let's go. We have another one over here. You look. Hey, what's up? Wow. Wow, guys. Right. So my sister brings some kales over here. Isukumia karibu guys. Yeah. Wow guys. Look what I'm doing. Look. Yeah. So that's my mother's cow. So that's my residence home. This is where I'm born and raised, man. On this small village here. Wow. But this is my struggle of my life to change my family, man. So this is how my build of my home looks like. Actually, this is my dad's home, and I really appreciate, man. So just over here. So guys, on these videos, watch until the end. Give a video a like, comment, and also guys, in case you're new here, subscribe to my channel. Load to 5k subscriber. I'm almost there, and I really appreciate guys. So every single minute when I'm uploading my videos, I got new member on my YouTube channel every day. But it's a good thing, and it's a big challenge. So you see my mother taking the cats to the market, guys. Hey. Go with my sister. All right. So guys, I'm feeling like it's cold over here, but it's okay. So guys, keep it locked. More amazing videos coming on these videos, and I thank God every single minute. And today's videos, it's to raise my toilet, and in simple way, setting of blocks on my toilet. So I need maybe to show you some partition. This is a washroom, this is a toilet, this is a washroom, this is a toilet, like that way. And it's a process by itself, but I will try to manage with my mason. So after this, I'm going to check the mason, because my neighbor took a wheelbarrow and spades, and I need to borrow some wheelbarrow from the mason, and I think so guys. But when I get money soon, I would buy my own wheelbarrow and spades. Yeah. So guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. Oh guys, don't forget I'm on in hairstyle, guys. Look. And actually, this is my natural hair. Serious. This is my natural hair, guys. And I'm not blagging things, guys. Serious, 100%. This is my natural hair. So guys, start for another day. Keep it locked. More amazing videos coming, guys. So guys, I'm going to borrow the wheelbarrow from the mason, and actually guys, as Nyabo Hands. So this is Nyabo Hands. In case you're new here, check it out. So this is Nyabo Hands. Guys, let me ask the price of a wheelbarrow. Nishikia pikipiki si yangu. Mama shika. Wheelbarrow unauzaje? Bana nimeteseka hivyo wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow. Nishatoka 3,000. Yes guys, so I need a wheelbarrow. Ni venye tu nataka niulizie bei. 1,000 umesema? So it's almost 50 USD. Okay. Acha nichukue hapa ya rafiki, nitaikudia tu. Yes guys, so I'm asking the price of a wheelbarrow because I was struggling a lot, guys. Imagine from home up to here borrowing a wheelbarrow, guys. It's so crazy, but it's okay. So guys, I see the design of my toilet. So this one I put for my mama. and this one for my toilet. Mukakanire ngukukuleri ntorino. Iga?
Elfu ishirini.
Icheke.
Ija Kenya.
Kwa nini elfu sita ni heri?
Elfu sita.
It is for low price, guys. Low price. Dihi. Na unaweza litumia bila maji?
Yes, why not?
Tuone basi. Yaani bila nini hizo maji za kuconnect. Yeah, guys, we have this one. Igari no elfu ishirini. Nkeke mo elfu ishirini. This 20,000, guys. And actually I like to put on my house. Otarinyoro kiunigandi no. Halichani asika miku chakuri kora.
No, let me show you exactly what is supposed to be.
Kuna ingine hapo.
Uko
Na hii.
tamu.
Yeah, and also he was a plumber, guys. Man. Kungo tuone vile inakaa ndani. Mzee na mama. Hai. Kwani hiyo si kama hii?
Yes, ni kama hii. Although this one is supposed to be in the outside there for display.
So, kwani mbona hii?
No, there is a difference between this and this.
Lakini hii unaweza connect afu mtu atumie in case kama hakuna maji.
Yes, why not? Si unatumia maji unamwaga huko ndani.
Ona ifungwe. Eh?
Yes,
Hata hii unaweza kutumia bila maji. Unatumia unamwaga maji. Kama huja connect maji, unaweza kutumia na unamwaga maji.
Ni chai. YouTube yako nga mwenye bambi simu. So guys, I prefer putting on my toilet when it's complete, guys. This sink. Unaita sink?
Yes, sink. Toilet.
Yes, sink toilet. And I actually use it like
Very
this.
comfortable.
Oh, poo. Okay, elfu ishirini.
Yes.
Na bei ya mwisho?
16,000.
Yes, guys. It's almost 30 USD, guys. This one here, over here. So when my toilet's complete, guys, I came to put this and na mama sijui ni mwekee gani.
Mama.
Mama sisi mwekee, itamsumbua. So this is mine, and then later on I get the money, I'll put some tank and then connect to water and then we use it like swaki. Gani? Staki ile yenye wanaka.
Kama sio ya kukaa mwekee hii hapo.
Hiyo. Hivi mzee unachani. Twende nje huko tumalize na maneno.
Yaani si waliniibia.
Sikuza unachani?
No, see, remember there's a day they started in my channel.
Channel. So you lose
all my hope.
So start another channel.
I'm not interested, man. So there's no security for that.
Okay.
Yes.
For my mama, I'll put this one.
Yeah, even that one.
Yes. Okay, you're the one who came to install those stuff when my toilet complete.
Okay.
Yes. Na hii unauzaje?
This one is 1,500.
Na ya bafu ni gani?
Ya bafu. Ya bafu
Hapa hivi. Kati ya hii na hii.
zote ni sabafu. Hii unaweka
hii unauzaje?
trap. Hii ni 500. Hii ni 2 inch.
Okay, nishani. Kuna siku nilipigiwa simu haukushika simu.
Kweli?
Na yule mama pale.
Nakuwa niko busy wakati mwingine kwa side sasa nakuwa.
Kila nulicha kuinstall chote ni mahaba kwa hagati rero.
Okay. Just kuna nje.
Yes. So guys, sorry. Kwa hagati is to build the toilet, guys. Okay. So let's go and borrow the wheelbarrow. Imagine, hey. So hectic. How crazy. Oh yeah. And I'm heading poor, bro. And I'm heading this way. There's some guy greeting me. And I'm heading to my mason home where he rented. And I need to borrow the wheelbarrow, guys. Imagine. It sounds like awkward. Oh. 10. Dara mambo. Toa kamba. So imagine I came to borrow a wheelbarrow, guys, from my mason, and it sounds awkward, but it is what it is, guys. So when I get 50 USD money, I'll manage to buy my new wheelbarrow, because construction, it's not end, it's still going on. Right. It's gone tight. And guys, I was telling you that I came to borrow the wheelbarrow from my mason, and it's far from here. Imagine, this is Yabuhansi Center. I came to borrow the wheelbarrow, and when the work complete, I will turn it. Okay. The wheelbarrow at the back, and then when I'm driving, the wheelbarrow it just rolling down. So we're heading this way, guys. So stay tuned until my side, guys. Wow, you can see this is how morning looks like in my village. There's a motorbike over there, and there's a junction going other side, going this way, going this way. Right, guys? So guys, finally we go, guys. We try to put the wheelbarrow. Right. Now, guys, this village have really developed a bungalow, guys, over there. Well, guys, so this is how my beautiful village looks like in the morning. And guys, the wheelbarrow are making noise at the back. Okay, guys, I left my motorbike over here, and finally back home. Yes, that's the wheelbarrow, direct from Nyabuhanse, guys. But one time, I bought my new wheelbarrow and spade. So maybe going to hire people's instrument, it's so hectic, and at the same time it sounds awkward. So I wear this jacket because it's full of cold here. Yeah. Fundi, hivi karatasi mnahitaji kiasi gani? Yeah? Nusu? Wanapima? Nusu ni shilingi ngapi? Okay. Oh guys, so I'm heading to Border Town, and I need to purchase some halting paper for arranging down the floor, and then start pressing on top some bricks. Hey. So we have a dump site over here, and I think, guys, the reason why I don't pass here because of this dump site. It's totally smell. Wow, guys. Oh, guys, so finally I hit the tarmac road, and I'm heading to Border Town, guys. So at the far end, guys, that is my Roman Catholic Church over there. If you are Roma, let me know in the comment section, guys. At the other side, that's the Roman Catholic Church. That's my Roman Catholic Church. And the entrance was here. So you enter here, go to the church. So if you are a Roma, guys, so let me know in the comment section what you think about my video. And there is one house here. Every day I was passing here, you can see this one here, guys. Hey, okay. I'm driving at 0 speed, guys. Hey. Man, it is what it is. Let's go. Nice village. There's a brilliant traveler motorbike. Putting like boom. Okay, we almost at border town. And the starting point of the border town, guys. So we go inside, deep inside. Maize corn over there. So let's go. At least you have see some tall building. The house stuff. The vehicles. Bus, easy coach. Guys, it's early morning over here. So this is a roundabout. Hey. And at the far end, guys, it's the police post over here. Cool Kenya police. Yeah. Hey. This is how border town looks like. Downtown Spania. At least, guys, nowadays you have downtown. But I know downtown found in Jamaica. See? Some construction been going on there. Oh. Okay. White House upcoming. Came on this highway here, and I need the portion paper, guys. So let's go. Hiyo ni mita 3. Haya, hiyo ni 300, si ndio? Ongeza mita 2. Yeah, guys, so the portion paper if the mason needed, and I don't want to make my mason to mess it. Okay, sawa. Eh. Okay. Alright. So this is the portion paper, guys. It's last one. Alright, guys, and it's a good thing. We have a wheelbarrow over here. So, guys, it's time to go back home, and I've already bought some portion paper. Let's go. It's a good thing. So they are needed to put down the floor and then start setting blocks. Without that, they can't set blocks, guys. Imagine. Serious. Big tractor. Wow. Ama ni kubwa. Okay. There is. Yeah. So guys, I will show you the purpose of the polythene paper. So without that, they can't do some work, right? And there is some boys here try to pull some sand from there, right? Sasa ndio mmeanza kupima? Okay. Well, so that's how we pull it some sand from other side. So I'll show you the purpose. Mkiona mlete block, unaanza huko mwisho kwenda ile side nyingine huko. Hizo zinakaa rafu, zile ngumu mlete. Ndio zianze zikiisha, afu hizi zifuate. Oh guys. Hicho nitakuja kuimaliza kweli. So guys, keep it locked and enjoy my vlog of today. Can give a video a like, comment, and also guys subscribe. Love is for free, guys. Oh guys, so they try to pull the blocks versus sand over here. Unaziweka chini pole pole. Juu si ngumu, zinapasuka. Well guys, so I want to show you the progress of today, guys. And actually today I'm setting the blocks on my toilet, guys. So be aware, guys, and stay tuned. So over there I pack my motorbike. Barang kipa ko sora marand. Matafai, okay. Okay, they want to sell bricks. And this is my motorbike over here. So actually I give you quick tour to my toilet, and I had on the comment, hello baby, complete your toilet. So the at least amount that I have I spent here, and here the mixture of sand and cement creates a mortar. Wow guys, so this is the outlook of my toilet over here, guys. Sasa ikisha kwa hivyo hata mvua ikinyesha si hakuna shida.
Haina shida.
Buroko hizi haribika, si ndio?
Kuna haiwezi haribika.
Mimi naogopa maburoko kweli.
Maburoko ni mazuri.
Hapa bado utakuja kuweka kama msingi hivi. Kuzuia maji, si ndio? Yes, so guys, I was talking about here between here and here to put some slab to prevent water, guys. All right. At least, guys, you see what I'm doing, and the small amount of money that I have, I spend here. So I keep myself pushing. At least when I finish this toilet, man, I'll be safe. Fundi tambo lechu hana najaza hizi mavitu. Nyanyie tu ndo mtapiga plasta, msije kusumbuka. Okay. These are blocks over here. So this is the washroom, toilet, and then washroom. Ona hapo kwenye pikipiki babangu kuna seng'enge iko hapo juu kwa mti. Huko. Fungua tu kwa mti hapo kwa pikipiki penye babangu ameweka. Ona ngonsu bara. Fundi. Na ukuta itakula tofali kiasi gani?
Ukuta. Hii nyumba.
Asi nyumba ukuta.
Ukuta gani?
Ile ya mbele hapa. Juu nataka.
Nikwambia ulete 800.
800 ni mingi.
Leta 600 sasa.
Asante nimwambia baki mest. Okay guys, so we'll try to talk about the bricks over the blocking of the wall over here guys. So let me go and see. Yes. Okay, so my brother sold some bricks and I want to put aside 500, and when I get the money later I'll pay him, so he work to get money, you know. Ya nini? Nene gas. Kane gas, taupuli fu. Oh, ngane gas. Ngane gas. Wonta kunge ngane gas. Umanena ikuke sora. Na yenga ka sora. Ayo ntakunga ini. Robi. Userafu wa ikenso ntora 500 kan.
Hata niwatora 500.
500. Leo ngotire matafari robi.
Bona no hora ahirengura. Dino hora ahirengura.
Yaro kumuhuro monto atora maramba atora tibisi batu.
Tabe mura. Ndasari gentu kiromba.
Mura. Motongo modire motara kera mutara motora manata sambero.
Berarti ento na trika apa muita
mata motora tore kando hoy. So I'm telling him don't to misleading some bricks I mean. So at least sini bricks at least to try and then you arrange there bro. Atutaki asara. We don't want to lose.
How?
Makama londe hema. Bana kama rono gatiri mo.
Yani gaanze kuba chongo.
Okay.
Hey.
Sasa robino karusi akigoro buwe bana malekere ruka. Muitano kama utora matafari 500 kando. Sa baba maratori 500 kando. Iguri.
Matafari kanunga alingiri.
Wanga mbele futatu tigonsuga he. So guys, I'm telling my mama to be keen. I need 500 bricks over here. Itukutu kere mukiarenga 500. Not 250.
Acha kwanza, kachatia kwanza.
Mono. That's my mom over here, guys. And I need to take this stuff for your mother's place to feed some cows, guys. This one here. Wow. Tarakara monta tu mureto fari. He called himself monkey, guys. Himself. Let's go.
You know me? My name is Charles. I drive a tuk-tuk from here. I have brought my friend the Kokota.
Oh, guys. So, guys, let's check the blocks over here. And it's running out. Whew. What am I going to do? 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 Oh my God. just over here, and I will remain with some few. Whew. Remain with 2.5 lines, guys. So let me ask the mason whether it can finish, guys. It's so hectic, but I'm trying myself to keep pushing, you know, in other way. So today it's a happy moment, and I heard on the comment section, hello baby, just build your mama toilet, just build for your family toilet, guys. So at least when I get a amount of money I'm spend on toilet, sure guys, sure. Oh my god, oh my lord. So am I going then to make some bricks, some blocks, I mean. Fundimana buroko haziwezi tosha. Sasa tuende tuone vile hali. Wamekuletea sengenge?
Nitaiweka kwenye kozi inayofuatia sasa.
Ni kozi 3, si ndio? Oho.
Sengenge si ni kidogo tu au iko mingi?
Sini, nitaenda nitafute tu sengenge.
Utatafuta?
Sitachukua hata plasi nikate kwa majirani. Wow. Nikipiga hadi 6 mtakuwa mmeenda naye.
Ila najiuliza na jambo moja, si mchanga wangu utakubali?
Kwa nini?
Si utabaki?
Mchanga gani huu? Ni mwingi.
Singe waruhusu wachanganye miwili. Ningewaambia wachanganye tu mmoja kwanza tuumalize. Acha tuone lakini. Lakini haya matafari utajenga kozi 7, mwisho ni 6. 5 6.
Mbona
linaanguka liukuta?
Si nakwenda juu nafai kwe kozi ngapi?
Itakuwa kozi 8.
Kozi 8. Kwa hivyo kijenga 6 leo. Fanya vijenga 6.
Kesho tunakuja na
kesho pesa haiko. Sitaki nikudanganya juu nijenge. Amu utajenga afu subiri hela.
Haina shida.
Sawa, itakuja jenga subiri hela. Nikipata tu nikulete. So we try to talk with my mason. Maybe tomorrow they come and finish, and then when I get the money I'll top up. Plasta kile
yangu.
Ndani utapiga rough, juu utaweka tiles.
Si ndio? Alafu nje
sijui nipige rough cast, sijui nipige
rough cast ndio sawa. Rangi hapana.
Mbona?
Kwa rangi ipige tu kwenye kona zake mle.
Acha tu nipige. Sasa nitachagua, naweza piga rangi jamani, teseke. Piga rangi ile yenye na shine.
Nikwambie kitu. Rangi kila wakati inatoka.
Kutoka wapi? Si kama nyumba tu.
Ni wewe tu bwana. Basi nitapiga
Sugweza.
Sawa.
Yes guys, so the chimney. At least guys, you see, now you are not blacking things, and I thank God guys for this far. So I'm going to Ayamora place, and I'm taking the leaves for the sweet potatoes for the cow to take it, guys. So keep it low. Oh guys, so I need to add the overall, and then I take the stuff to Ayamara's place. Let's see what my mama she was doing here. She was cooking rice, man. Oh, this rice. Eee. Wow. Guys, there's rice over there. This is how my mama arrange utensils, and so I need to add this overall because the stuff which I'm going to take, it's kind of have some stuff like glue gum, so I need to add this, and I'm ready to go. Wow, guys. Hey, this is how my house looks like. Wow, so I need to wear the jacket a little bit. And we go. Ooh. Even man, I forget. No, because I don't want to make my shirt to look dirty, because those stuff, when it catch your clothes, it bring you hectic, guys. This hello baby official. Ooh, guys, how did you recommend on my chest? Look, awesome. So, but guys, I'm not beating my chest. I'm just touch it, and I'm not going for the gym, man. Me, I'm just the way they are. I was born like that way. Just like I get genes from my dad. So you see that you think that I'm going to gym, guys. Never. So stay tuned, guys. I tied, and I need to go to Amaro's place. So this is how things they are over here, guys. So keep it locked. Enjoy my vlog for today, and guys, I resume to my overall, guys. It reminds me since I start my first video on YouTube, guys. Over here, guys. So keep it low, guys. I'm heading this way. So here I go, and so today it's on market day, so that's the reason why I found the cows alongside the road, and other people coming from the market, guys. So at the back, you see, and actually I'm heading to Ayamaras, out to my uncle's place, Villa Mendelin 2024. Oh. So guys, I resume back to my overall, guys. It's remind me. So guys, I reach here, and I want to take this one, and I'm going to check my medicine, guys. So ndio ukalia sasa huko gagaki zinaenda huko gaki, come and show me. Ndio nisikie. So just over here, guys. Haya, look for me a camera. So I came back.
Yes, guys. Actually, if you remember, we just made my brother Hello Baby official over there. So he had just come over this place, guys, and he had just brought this amazing manga, you guys, stuff over here.
And
so,
in case I found when other people are uprooting some sweet potatoes,
okay,
I can pick it and then deliver it. But
okay.
This one,
okay,
I realized people have already taken.
Yeah.
And at least I bring this one here.
Okay, so maybe you can just go toward the other side. So you just come so that they can just show you where to take, guys. Yeah. Let's go. So guys, actually he had just brought some, let me just say that, yeah, just past there, he had just brought some, the guys, no, sometimes I always say that it's good that we take care of everything over, guys, over here at the Villa Medellin. So no, the cows has the, maybe you can just put some for them.
So
maybe you just bring over here. I want to put it over here, and then we should just be doing the adding of them, guys.
yes, you can take a little bit and then add.
Yeah. Okay, so over here, guys, and then just do the, so some of them we're just going to give them to the cows, so that they can just feed. After feeding, you know, we always do this. Actually, we do some fast feeding. We do the first feeding to the cows, and then the second feeding is to the horses. So actually, you just let us put some of them over there, because you can just see, guys, we have a lot of food stuff over there. So
Right.
just put some of them, and then some of them we should just put for them, and then after there we should just see how things are going to be, guys.
Okay. Hey.
Big King.
Here you must be very strong.
Yeah.
Very.
Yeah. So guys, this is how it's doing.
Oh.
Yeah. So this is how it actually
Take care
did.
of that cow.
Okay.
Let's cool it down.
So be there. Okay,
Love
guys.
this stuff.
So actually they really liked.
Yes, they like it.
Yeah.
So I resume on my overall. I was looking them.
Yeah.
Yes.
So guys, as you can just see, hello baby, I just guys, this one, guys, that's overall. It has some history,
History.
which I always know, guys, the history of that amazing thing over there, guys.
So this one I think you can feed 2 days. Maybe today
Yeah.
and tomorrow.
Yeah.
And in case you found this one, you just call me.
Yeah.
We go. We do have Gitriva motorbike.
Yeah.
We use Gitriva and this one. We go like thrice and then you pack.
Yeah. Actually, that's how we should just be doing, guys. So as you can just see, it's a lot and a lot, guys.
This is a lot.
So let me just stand over here so that this cannot disturb, guys, over there.
They had some flavor.
Yeah. Okay. So maybe some of them you should just take them to the other side, and then
Where? Here.
only there. Yeah.
Okay.
There's
So and then you do like, oh my motorbike. Oh my god.
okay.
Like this.
Okay.
And then because this cow is disturbing.
Yeah. Guys, hello baby want to hit his stomach, guys.
The sweet potato vines are just here.
Yeah.
And then
Kana hero.
Gana. And no muhara.
No, yeah, you can.
You can pass away.
Yeah, there.
Jump over.
Okay, so we're just going to do some.
Because I want to test this cow.
Okay. Okay, so guys, you can just look. Is eating. It's eating.
And then when you find more than this,
Yeah.
you cut into small pieces.
Yeah.
And then
Super amazing. So guys, actually you can just see they're just doing the feeding of this particular stuff, guys.
and these are solid one.
That is salt.
Salt.
That's salt, yeah. That's
Can
salt.
serve 1 year.
Yeah. So
You can serve to who?
The cow. you
Yeah.
can-
so actually guys, this one we're just going to do the putting of it over here, and then guys, everything guys is just going to be supposed to be amazing. Maybe a baby, maybe we can just take this and then we just put over there so that actually
Where?
inside.
You know, I do like this.
Yeah.
No, no, no.
Hello baby, chunga nywele yako, sulisuka jiwe.
So
Yeah, I take care of this.
okay, so let me show you how it's just doing, guys.
You don't do it.
Yeah,
Where?
just like inside. Yeah, inside over it. Yeah, like that. You just push them, because actually, you know, the horses have just come from feeding them from that place.
Rio.
They have maize leaves.
Yes.
So if it was not that, they could have just been over here. Yeah. Okay, guys. So this is how they're doing. So keep watching the video and just drop your thoughts concerning this amazing video. Your subscription, guys, to the channel is highly appreciated. So here you go. Keep watching the video.
So how do you see? It's okay.
Yeah. Maybe you can just add some of them to the.
Three. Yes. And then you have another one over here. What's up? Okay, okay, guys, come here. Yes, I will open for you.
Open the down part because they
No.
can't cross over. It's
Why?
Remove the So guys, actually after here now we're just
Inagonga.
No.
Come here. Come this
Here,
way.
guys, we're just going to do the
Come this way. Turn it. Go over there. Funga.
among the best. You know, these are potato vines.
Yes. Now, guys, the cow today add some flavor of the food. So, guys, if we get more stuff like this every day, I'll deliver it, man. So, and Gake, Gaki. So guys, let me know in the comment section. You see the cows enjoying over there, and even at home there, man. Me, I love the goat. In fact, I love them. So in terms of feeding, I love them. You see the way it's enjoying, and I hope today they want adding some flavor of the food taste of the full stuff. Wow. That's African chicken, guys. Eh. And I feel like it's so hot over here, and I feel like I want to remove this overall, but it's okay. It's okay. Wow. So just to deliver the stuff over here, and hey, wrapup bro. Hey, you wake up. Hey, kana tano unaipeleka wapi? These are dove. Yeah. So introduce yourself.
There is Pablo Jr. once again, the rider bike, the motorsport guy. And it's so amazing and great. Kindly check me on YouTube, Pablo Jr. It's always amazing and great to be with you here as one. Enjoying the greatest vibes and stories among the greatest.
Mura pole man.
Enjoy and get from this end.
Yes.
The Mokia ride
you
is so
see?
fantastic.
I don't trust that guy, you see? Hey, park up. Hey, help with. Okay, so let me greet the security officer here. So now I'm a security. Hey, I don't know to change your Miranda. Hey, my super up. Hey.
Hi guys, my name is Stephen Sabega. I'm
Yes.
a security here. Welcome to Kenya.
Yes, nikipata Miranda me anytime, takuwa naletea ng'ombe.
Thank you, welcome.
Yes. So I'm telling him when I get the stuff for the cows anywhere, I bring, guys. So thank you so much. I think I could end my video here. May God bless you for those who are watching my videos. And in case you're the first time watching these videos, let me know in the comment section. Gaki, unapika nini hapa? Yeah? Yes. Yeah, this is the mixture of beans and maize corn. It's so hot, guys. It's so hot, man. So I want to end my video here, and actually the moisture of the lid, when you're not careful, it's burning. So I could end my video here by saying thank you so much, and you mean a lot for me. I can't take things for granted. I'm here to appreciate you. And guys, today you know what I'm doing. I'm sitting on so today I was setting blocks of my toilet, guys, so it take a shape. So I want to say bye guys. Next video is coming.